Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro Space Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to change the strap on this watch. To change the strap on this watch, first we need to remove the old one, and this is quite simple. You just need to grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each side of the watch, on the strap, we have this button, the button right here. And what we need to do is to press on this button, and once you press on it, you will be able to move out remove the strap. Again, for the second one, for the second side, press on the button and simply take out the strap. Like this. And here we have our watch and our strap. And once you get a new strap, you can put it on quite simply. You just press on this button on the strap again to retract the pins and then insert it. So press on the button, insert the strap, and once it clicks in, it's gonna hold. Same for the other side. Press on the button, insert the, I don't know if you can see it, but press on the button, insert the strap, like this, and once it clicks, it will hold. And that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.